I think I'll have to keep it short because Utkarsh is probably gonna kill me if I don't keep it short. So, like, I'll just start off with some like random memories that I have with you. I think one of the memories that come to my mind while I was just thinking about this video was like we are like it's just the transition that I've seen of Somna like from the first year to the third year, in which you like there's this girl who's like very studious, who wants attendance and who's like always on the mark for everything that there is. And in the third year, it's like we are bunking a lecture. We are going through like I think the second or the third floor, and there's like Shruti ma'am coming, and you told her that we're going for some like e-cell work, and we are arranging some event or something of that sort. And then we go to Nescafe, we have coffee, and Shruti ma'am comes there, and you're still like a stud standing there. And it's like I don't think it's just about these smaller fun memories that I have with you, but it's also about maybe the treks that we have been to, maybe the long walks that we have like taken to national park. And I think like in those moments, like maybe those walks, I've like understood you more than in like the 2 years of college, the time that I've spent with you. So it's it's been like a diverse set of activities and all those different things that we have done together, to which I think like I've understood you so much better, and it's just a wonderful experience to have. And I like truly miss those times where we're like just doing random things. And also for a fact, like our CCD sessions that we have, where we're just like sitting and like for us just talking about random things, maybe about life, about career, about all your drama, or all of those other things. I think one of the best qualities that you have is the way you express. Like it's not just expression of like happiness or anything, it's just complete expression. Or and it's like a child who's expressing very raw, and it's just one of the most beautiful things that I've seen. And it's not just like you also express anger in that way, which is not cool because I have to like go through 5 stages to actually make that up every single time, which also makes you dramatic. And that is why there are a lot of namunas that get attracted, and which is like basically like entertainment for me to like after every 1 week I have a channel, Netflix channel, that I can turn on and go through all the drama that is going on in your life. So I don't seriously have a Netflix subscription. I think you are more than enough with all the different things that all the different namunas that you attract. Like so many things that I would love to express, but I think the video is like I'm running short of time. So I think I'll just conclude. Happy birthday. Just take care of yourself. I miss you a lot. Come back soon. We'll celebrate it here as we like always do. And I think yeah. Bye.
Hi Sumo! Happy birthday! I don't even know मैं क्या बोलूँ यार, इतना time बीत चुका है अब तो. I remember the first time we actually met. It was Sony introduced us and we were like, oh my god, we're such different people but so same at the same time, and it was so I don't even know. Then obviously we became closer. I don't know, we spent every single day together. I remember we used to text each other कि कल सुबह आना है college, हाँ आना है college. For most of the times you ditched me when it came to this because you did not turn up to the college and I was all alone. Do you know how bad that is? You should like. But नहीं उसके बाद obviously we've had our ups and downs. We've had so many things going on with us, but we came out of it, and obviously we are better people now. We better understand each other. Yeah, there must be some still miscommunications between us, but it's I think okay. And I don't know, you were there. I miss you. I miss us sitting together in a class, you, me, and Maitri, and it was just. You guys used to irritate me so much every single day. You guys calling me, क्या cartoon? Dude, that was annoying. But I used to love you guys so much. I miss that. I kind of miss having you guys around every single day to talk to you and just having a normal life. अब तो पता नहीं last time मिले भी कब थे. I think it was at that Pizza Hut when again you turned up late as usual. बढ़िया like sumo standard time right SST. हमें थोड़ा टाइमलाइन का ये दे तू मेजरमेंट्स की किस हिसाब से चलता है तेरा SST. कभी नहीं समझ पाए हम लोग वो चीज. I know. And of course you did this, so even I'll do this. Hello from the other side. I must have called 1,000 times to tell you I'm sorry for everything that I've done. When I call you, never seem to be home. Hello from the outside. Stop it. Luigi, stop the video.
Hey Boho / Boku. I know you aren't fond of my long messages, neither am I, so I'll just keep it short. Firstly, I'd like to thank you, and I'm really grateful for our friendship, which has gone through really hard stages. I'm really thankful of you to still be a friend of mine, and you know, whatever I am today, a very huge credit goes to you too. Other than that, you being in Bangalore and venting out your frustration by sending me painful and mind-numbing posts on Instagram, I feel like dedicating this song to you. So yeah, here goes. Frustiyao nahi mura, narbhasao nahi mura, frustiyao nahi mura, narbhasao nahi mura. Anytime mood wako, upset आओ नहीं मुरा. Anytime mood wako, upset आओ नहीं मुरा. जो भी रंग हुआ है उसे सेट राइट वा करो जी, नहीं लूजिए जी होप, थोड़ा फाइट वा करो जी मुरा. अपसेट आओ नहीं मुरा, घबराओ नहीं मुरा. अपसेट आओ नहीं मुरा, नर्वस आओ नहीं मुरा. Anytime mood wako, upset आओ नहीं मुरा. Anytime mood wako, upset आओ नहीं मुरा. In the end, I'll just like to say that keep sending those memes still. I really like the quality of the memes you share, except for those go Corona, why you stay here, and stuff like kick on the balls. Basically 90% of what you generally share with me, but I really like the quality of your memes of the remaining percentage. In the end, yeah, happy birthday, stay safe, and take care of yourself. Bye bye.
Hi Soumya, happy quarantine birthday. I know it honestly sucks and this is definitely not the way you must have expected it to be celebrated, but I guess this is just like a small gift from our end to make your day better and to get a smile on your face. And actually we've not known each other since like a long time or something, and we were not even in the same department. We just happened to be friends because of Manta, and oh my god, I think I've found a very stupid lame jokes marne wali person as my friend. And no, but honestly, on a very genuine note, whenever we go out, it's always like a jolly good time with you, and like there's never an awkward silent wala phase or something. It's always an amazing time and I always have a lot of fun. And yeah, I think you're a great friend, and it's always a time pass with you. There's always these fun moments, and I really love that about you, how it's so light between us. And yeah, I just want to wish you a very happy birthday. Enjoy your day and have an amazing year ahead, and I hope next year is your year.
What's up? I know you must be laying in your couch thinking, अरे यार ये क्या कर रही है, ये क्यों आई? But then you know, कॉलेज के दिनों से लेकर पास होने के बाद हमारे LTI में आने तक, फिर हाउस पार्टी भी ऑफ कोर्स. How can I forget that quick draw and quack? Never mind. मैंने तेरा पीछा नहीं छोड़ना है. And I am very adamant on being your friend. So इस लॉकडाउन में कोशिश है थोड़ी सी हमारी तुझे मुस्कुराता देखने की. And I hope we succeed in that. Here's to many more years of friendship and a very happy birthday to you, babe. We shall party after the lockdown.
Hi Soumya, I wish you a very happy birthday and I miss you a lot. Take care, enjoy.
Hey Lord Sumo, how are you? Wishing you a very, 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 very happy birthday. You've turned a year older. I hope you get more mature now. I just hope you can travel the world and experience every flavor there is, from pineapple pizzas to croissants and everything in between. I heard Ziyech is coming to Chelsea. You better cherish that lad. He's an Ajax lad. And I just can't tell you how happy I am to still, after all these years, still be able to, to tell people I met some seniors back then. They are my favorite people and I still call them up occasionally and I tell them how much they mean to me because they fill me with happiness and you're on top of the tree. Not just today, but always. So here's wishing you a very, very happy birthday. Stay happy, and after this lockdown is over, please, please, please come and meet me because I'm dying to meet you. I miss you a lot. Keep smiling, stay happy. We love you, man. Happy birthday, Litsumo. Litsumo. You made me stutter. Happy birthday, Soumya. Bye-bye.
I think another thing that I clearly remember, which I don't think you remember, is like we were going to Amritsar in the train and like we were bored because it's like a full 24-hour, 30-hour journey, and like in the last stages of it, we are like playing some card games or something, and just we both were playing like I think Teen Patti, and in that you actually lost 1,48,950 bucks, and I like warned you that it's for real money and you owe me that money and I'm very serious.